Hello, welcome back. Um, Now we have the laboratory 5. The first part is the import, as usual, import stamp 5, which is used for numerical operation and creating arrays. And the second part is import MATLAB's plotting functions, which allow us to visualize signals. So we'll proceed the time samples. Here are the time samples. It creates the discrete time index and for ranging from -10 to 10 with step size 1. Sorry. So in this next part is the original signal generates the original signal xn as an sine wave frequency 0.3. Now let's proceed to this part. To this part naman, it plots the original signal as a stem plot showing discrete values as vertical lines. And this part naman is the adds as bold title with my lab activity, with my name, and with my section and description of the signal as you can see there. And to this next part, labels the x-axis as discrete samples and the y-axis as amplitude as an amplitude. So this part um, adds a grid for clarity and displays the original signal plot. Now let's proceed to the combination of that and time shifted. So this part, it's the creates a signal that is amplified by factor of 2 and shifted right by 3 samples. So here in the combination 2, we have the attenuated and the time reverse. Creates a signal that is attenuated by 0.5 and time reversed, flipping across the vertical axis. So here in the combination 3, here in the combination 3, it creates a signal that is inverted, multiplied by -1 and compressed in time by a factor of 2. So let's proceed here in PLT figure. It creates a new figure with size 12 by 8 inches to hold multiple subplots. And this here we are the plots the amplified and shifted signals in the first subplot with labels title and grid. So let's head to the next part po. Dito naman sa next part na is as usual, same. The the 313 um time reverse signal plot as attenuated and reverse signal in the second subplot with labels title and grid. Same lang naman siya dito sa ano. It is for the plot inverted time signal in the third subplot with labels and grid. And for the last part again, for the last part is the adjust spacing between subplots so titles and labels won't overlap. And dito sa pinaka-last part, PLT show displays the figure with all three transform signals. That's all, and thank you.